Make sure to stay until the end. We're going to share a common mistake people make and they end up spending thousands of dollars on parts and repairs they actually do not need. All that will be covered in this video today. Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Super quick helpful video to any of you trying to find where the fuse relays for the license plate light, also known as tag light, is located on GMC Sierra, that generation here from year 2014 to year 2018. Stay with us, we'll explain what you need to check if you need to buy replacement parts, tools, fuses, relays. We'll share the information in the description of the video below, guys. You can see where we get most of our tools and supplies from. So let's start on it now. So before we start, let us tell you guys a little bit about us. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We take them completely apart, we show you how to fix pretty much anything. Why we guys do all that? Because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these free videos. By the way guys, check out our YouTube channels. We have more than 17,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in repairs. So let's go ahead guys and start on it now. So the license plate, light, fuses and relays, where you can expect to find them. We will demonstrate on that generation GMC Sierra. Most people that own that GMC Sierra do not know guys that there will be many hidden fuse boxes all over the track. Up to 3 different hidden fuse boxes except the main one that people know. That's why we made a special video on our YouTube channel that's called GMC Sierra Fuse Box Location and Diagram. Check it out, it's a video that people told us saved them thousands of dollars in repairs. What we need to do now, open the hood. Facing the engine guys, lucky for us, we work in a fuse box that's easy to get to and most people are familiar with. That's a fuse box facing the engine on the right side, that's the driver's side right here, main engine fuse box. Open that cover and underneath you're going to find a fuse box with a layout like this one here. Before we guys continue, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. It is guys very important to test fuses and relays. On those fuses you cannot clearly see if they're burnt or not, especially you can see in the JK's fuses as well. And if you guys assume, okay, let's say you remove a fuse, you look at it and you assume guys that it's actually a good fuse, but it's actually a bad fuse, sometimes you cannot clearly see that. What can easily happen guys at that point, you can put the bad fuse in and you start replacing parts and tools that you don't need to, so you lose your time, you lose your money to fix a problem that doesn't exist when all we had to do is test the fuse and replace it. We'll put a link to a special video that will teach you how to test fuses, how to check relays very easily as well guys. So check it out, it will be in the description of the video below. Here what we need to check. That specific fuse box is out of year 2018 GMC Sierra. That's when they changed the layout a little bit. There might be differences. 2014 through 17 use different design. But here you need to check fuse 28 and 29 most likely, because those control the park lights and the tail lights. There is very limited information, but most likely those will be the fuses that you need to check. If you have a 2014 through 17, it will be the same two fuses, 28 and 29. If it still doesn't work, if you replace a bulb and you still have a problem with the license plate light not working, you may need to clear the codes and reset codes from the BCM as well. But those are usually the solutions guys here at the garage for fixing a license plate light that doesn't work. So guys, this GMC Sierra has all kinds of different fuses, different kinds of relays, and those could be really hard to find. If you're in the middle of nowhere, you cannot find a replacement one, you may be stuck because of that. So we recommend guys, okay, to get some spare ones and put in the glove box for a peace of mind. We will share the information in the description of the video below where you can get them from at a good price, quick shipping, that way you do not waste money and time. Hopefully guys the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Thank you for watching, see you next time.